Chapter 5, Creation of Properties and Locations. In this module, you will create a comprehensive catalog to document the various properties owned by the company. These properties serve as the physical locations where equipment is housed and may require maintenance. This tool proves invaluable for efficiently managing and documenting various locations, streamlining the process for enhanced organization and accessibility. To begin, access the Maintenance module and navigate to the Properties and Locations section. Once there, click on the toolbar to select Add and create a new location entry. A window will open, prompting you to input the necessary details and additional information for the location you wish to include in your catalog. Within this screen, you have the ability to input geographic coordinates, notes, images, and attach files to provide comprehensive information for easy reference. This streamlined process remains consistent throughout the program, ensuring a seamless association and management of properties. Upon completion, simply click Accept to register the property in the database. How to add similar properties or locations. Select the location of the property and click Add. Enter the name and click the Other Same button. When applicable, particularly useful for capturing multiple locations with similar attributes. Once all entries are finalized, click OK to confirm. The catalog is organized in a hierarchical structure, resembling a tree, allowing for a logical representation of all areas within a company, whether it be an industrial plant, hotel, hospital, or building.